Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for MULN stock, and this is a very interesting stock. Every day there's a twist in the stock, and it doesn't stop. It's just phenomenal, you know. Today we have another SEC filing, and we'll take a look what's going on with the stock because it's taking a beating right now. Okay, like somebody's beating it down with a hammer. All right, I have a demand level at 20 cents, which is from October 2022. It hit that level. It almost got to that level. I mean, it went down to 20 cents, 20.50, and I'm at 20.35. So it's almost there, right? So hate to break it to you, I think the stock still gonna go down further. I mean, this is a heavy demand level, so there's a lot of buyers are sitting here thinking that this is a great price. But I don't know, the way this SEC filing I'm gonna show you, I think there may be a chance that it might go down to 15 cents. The filing is from March 6th. Let's take a look. It's a prospect. Let's have a look. It's very interesting, actually. The prospect supplement of MULN Automotive Delaware Corporation relates solely to the resale by the investor listed in the section of this prospect entitled Selling Stockholder, okay? For of up to 522 million shares of our common stock, par value 001, is issuable upon conversion of our Series D preferred stock and upon exercise of the warrant to purchase shares for a common stock. So basically they have a warrant D preferred stock which they're converting into a common stock for 522 million shares. Okay, each share of this Series D preferred stock shall initially be convertible into a common stock for 1-to-1 basis. The warrant will have an exercise price of lower of $1.27, the closing price of the company's stocks on the date the security purchase agreement was executed. Okay, so that day when the warrant was executed, the price was $1.27. Now, there's a catch right here, right? How much is it going to cost them now? Let's check it out. Let's take a look. The closing price of the common stock on the trading day immediately precedes the purchase date, subject to a floor price of 10 cents per share. So they're getting 522 million shares for 10 cents per share. 522 million is a lot of shares, okay? Let's take a look at the actual transaction here. Okay. The table below lists the selling stockholder and other information regarding the beneficial ownership of the shares of common stock by the selling stockholder. The second column lists the number of shares of common stock beneficially owned by the selling stockholder as of March 2nd, 2023, assuming conversion of all convertible securities and or rights held by the selling stockholders on that date. Without regard to any limitation on exercise, the third column lists the maximum number of shares of common stock being offered by this prospects by the selling stockholder. Okay, so the selling stockholder is selling they're exercising the warrant for 338 million shares for 10 cents a share. So what are they going to do, right? If you're buying something for 10 cents and you could sell it for 20 cents, what would you do? Or 23 cents or 24 cents for that matter, what would you do? You know, you would go ahead and take profit at that point, okay? This is what's going on with the stock right now. 322 million. I don't think they're done yet, okay? If I look at the total number of shares sold right now, I think there's still a lot more to go. 41 millions were sold, 105,000, 43 million, 44 million. Yeah, I think the stock is still going to go down. I think it might go down to 10 cents or 15 cents for that matter. This is my opinion. Of course, is the conference, the work truck week is on right now, and let's see if that helps. But I think the soon the stocks start to pick up, these guys, the vultures, they're sitting over there, they're exercising the warrants, then come in and they're going to sell the stock. So this is what's happening right now. I think even if it goes up, I don't think it's going beyond 23 cents in my opinion, okay? But I do think the stock might come down if it doesn't go up. If it goes to 22 cents, they might shoot it back down to 20 cents. If it crossed 20 cents, trust me, it's going down to 15 cents or 10 cents for that matter. So, but before it gets to the 10 cents, these guys who bought it for 10 cents wouldn't want it to go to 10 cents. So maybe they lay off a little bit. They'll sequence the selling. They won't do it immediately. With that being said, the stock is taking it rough right now. However, you know, they are promised that 290 million that you're supposed to receive. So the company's not going anywhere for another 2 years. So this is a plus sign. And they're making moves, and I'm very optimistic about the company. But again, this is a trade for me, everyday trade. So hope you guys are taking it as a trade. And if you like these videos, please do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.